Students, welcome back to Rama Teaches You. Today we are going to do class 8 We Distribute Get Things Multiply, the question answer solving video, part number 2. In the first part, we already completed a certain amount of questions, and in this video, we are going to do the rest. Okay, so take a pen and paper with you, okay, a notebook and a pen with you, and we will start solving the questions. So we have to start solving from question number 17, and let's go. Okay, so, question number 17, you have 2x square the whole to the power x cubed minus x minus 3x into x to the power of 4 plus 2x minus 2 into x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared. So, Preet, try and solve this for me, please. Yeah. So, 2x to the power of 6 minus. Are you sure it's going to be 2x to the power of 6? Yes. 2x to the power of 5 minus 2x minus 2x minus 2x. स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्या होता है? क्यूब्ड हो जाता है. या माइनस 3x to the power of 5 minus 6x. Read, x and x become square. Minus 2x to the power of 4 minus 6x squared. Now what have I told you? Bring all the like terms together. So सबसे बड़ा पावर कौन सा है? ये दोनों. So 2x to the power of 5 minus 3x to the power of 5 क्या हो जाएगा? Minus x to the power of 5 read. Then you have minus 2x to the power of 4. Then you have minus 2x cubed. Then you have, and read, it should have been plus 6x square. Minus 2 into this thing should have been plus. So minus 6x square plus 6x square should have been plus 0. So the final answer would be minus x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed. Final answer. लिखो इसको. Let's move on to the next question. That is, this was number 1. This is number 2. So a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. सॉल्व करो. जल्दी बताओ आंसर क्या हो जाएगा. बोलते जाओ मेरे साथ. ए बी माइनस ए सी प्लस बी सी माइनस. आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में बोलो हमेशा. ए बी प्लस सी ए इज इक्वल टू ए सी माइनस बी सी. ठीक है. हमेशा लेटर्स को अरेंज करके लिखो ताकि तुम्हारे लिए काट करना आसान हो. ए बी माइनस ए बी कट गया, ए सी माइनस ए सी कट गया, बी सी माइनस बी सी कट गया. तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? व्हाट इज द आंसर? 0. Exactly. Next. Question number 18. Subtract subtract 3 pq into p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. Try करो. So how do you solve such a question? सबसे पहले you have यहाँ पे pq 2pq into p plus q from, इसको पहले लिखना है. So you will have 2p square q plus 2pq squared minus from यहाँ पे इसको ब्रैकेट में रखो, फिर इसको इसको लिखो. So 3p squared q minus 3pq squared. So open the brackets now. What do you get? 2p square q plus 2pq square minus 3p square q plus 3pq square. So 2p square q minus 3p square q क्या हो जाएगा? Minus p square q minus 2pq square plus 2pq square plus 3pq square क्या हो जाएगा? Plus 5pq square. This is the right answer. करो 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 जल्दी सॉल्व करो. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. रीड ट्राई एंड सॉल्व विथ मी. ओके, मेरे साथ सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. सो यू हैव is watching the screen. Read 4x into 8x minus 3 minus 2. Simplify. Okay, you have to simplify this. Simplify. Find that the value when x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so how will we solve this? यहाँ पे देखो, बोलते जाओ. रीड. How will we do this? 32x squared minus 12 minus 12x minus 2. So now you put the value of x as, so 32 into 1 by 4 the whole square, it's 753. 32 into 1 by 4 the whole square minus 12 into 1 by 4 minus 2. So 32 upon 16 minus 12 upon 4 minus 2. 16 2 the 32, 4 3 the 12. So 2 minus 3 minus 2 कट गया, बचा क्या? minus 3. जल्दी सॉल्व करो. Next question. Using distributive properties, simplify the following. Okay, number 1, x squared minus 7 into x plus 7 is equal plus 10. सिंप्लीफाई करके बताओ जल्दी से, बोलते जाओ मेरे के साथ. x to the power 3 plus 7 plus 7x squared read x square into ये x cubed, x square into 7 7x squared minus 49 plus 10 is equal to x cubed minus 7x squared minus 7x minus 49 plus 10 कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस माइनस 39. खत्म. डन हो गया. अगला नंबर 2 लिख लिया तुमने ये. ओके, u plus v square into u squared minus v. What will be the answer? जल्दी बोलो. u cubed minus uv plus v squared u squared minus v cubed. Okay, so this is the answer. खत्म. अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. ओके, एक्स स्क्वायर, इसको भी सिंप्लीफाई करना है. ठीक है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स प्लस 1. बताओ क्या करोगे? एक्स टू द पावर 4 माइनस एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर plus plus read, you're multiplying x with x square. ध्यान से करो, x cubed, then minus x squared plus x into 1 is plus x, na read, plus x, then x squared minus x. Read, it's plus 1, read. 1 into 1 is 1, no. Why is there minus 1 coming? Plus 1 हो जाएगा. So, x cube minus x cube कट गया. x square minus x square कट गया. x minus x कट गया. तो कितना बचेगा तुम्हारे पास? वेरी गुड. अगला तुम्हारा इसका सेकंड पार्ट. डोंट मेक मिस्टेक्स, ट्राई नॉट टू मेक मिस्टेक्स. 2x plus 3y, 2x into 3y, 2x minus 3y into 4x squared, 9y square. Okay, you have to do 2 at a time. कोई दो को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करो, पहले दो को ही मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर तीसरे को बाद में मल्टीप्लाई करो. तो व्हाट विल यू गेट? 4x squared. Read, 2x into minus 3y is how much? Minus 6xy. You said plus 6xy. Read, recording में है. Minus 6xy plus then plus 6xy minus 9y square into 4x square plus 9y squared. Now इसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? दोनों को काट दिया. So what were we left with? 4x squared minus 9y squared into 4x squared plus 9y squared. So what will we get? 16x to the power of 4 plus 36x square y square minus x square y square. Come on. Minus y to the power of 4. So what is the final answer? Read, 16x to the power of 4 minus, yeah, 81 minus 81 y to the power of 4. This is the final answer. लिख लिया? अगला question number 22. Find the area of a rectangle with sides. So the question was, find the area of a rectangle with sides 7x square and x plus 1 upon x cubed. So area of a rectangle क्या होता है? इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ होता है. लेंथ हमें दे रखा हुआ है x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब. ब्रेथ हमें दे रखा हुआ है 7x स्क्वायर. सो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 7x स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब. सो 7x स्क्वायर इंटू x क्या हो जाएगा? 7x, 7x क्यूब्ड प्लस, नाउ 7x square into 1 upon x cube क्या हो जाएगा? 7x squared upon x cube. Can you write 7x square upon x cube as anything else? ऊपर स्क्वायर है, नीचे क्यूब है, तो कट गया. तो क्या बचेगा नीचे? ऊपर 2x थे, नीचे 3x थे, दो दो कट गए ऊपर और नीचे. So you will be left with 7x cubed plus 7 upon x. खत्म. स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. समझ में आ गया? क्लियर? अगला क्वेश्चन. Question number 23. Did you write this down? लिख लिया? Okay. Find the perimeter and the area of a square whose sides. So पेरीमीटर भी निकालना है एंड एरिया भी निकालना है। ओके, हाँ हाँ करो। ऑफ साइड तुम्हारा 3x² प्लस 2x प्लस सॉरी -7 है तुम्हारे पास यूनिट्स। ओके, ट्राई करो। So you have perimeter is 3x square plus 2x minus 7. So perimeter becomes 4 into sides, right? Is equal to 4 into 3x square plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 12x square plus 8x minus 7 fours are 28. Area is equal to side multiplied by side is equal to, this is where I am worried about you, 3x square plus 2x minus 7 into 3x square plus 2x minus 7. That doesn't matter. You understand what I'm saying, right? 3 into 3 is 9x to the power 4 plus 6x squared minus 9x to the power 4 plus 6x cubed. 6x cubed, 3x squared and 7th is a minus 21x squared. Then you will have minus 6x cubed plus, sorry, 2x into 3x squared is 6x cubed. Then you have plus 2 into 2, 4x squared minus 14x. Then you have finally minus 21x squared. Okay, minus 21x squared minus 14x plus 49. Okay, 9x की power 4. So 6x, so 9, you will write it as 9x to the power of 4. Okay, then 6x cubed plus 6x cubed gives you plus 12x cubed. Shambhavi आ गई. Minus 21x square minus 21x square. This is minus 21 minus 21 by minus 42 plus 4x square minus 42 minus 20 minus 38. Yeah, minus 38x square. Then you have uh, this is done, this is done, this is done. You are left with minus 14x. Minus 14x is minus 28x plus 49. Done. यही आंसर है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमें एंड ऑफ द डे एरिया निकाल रहे हैं तो स्क्वायर यूनिट्स लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे पेरीमीटर निकालते वक्त हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा, डालना पड़ेगा यूनिट्स. ठीक है, जब इन्होंने सेंटीमीटर नहीं दे रखा ना, सिर्फ यूनिट्स दे रखा हुआ है. अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 पार्ट 1. सो 2x plus 7 into 5x minus 2 plus x plus 3 into 2x minus 5. जल्दी करते हैं इसको रीड, साथ साइड बाय साइड मेरे साथ करो. सो बोलते जाओ. 10x squared minus 4x plus 35x minus क्या, 7 into 5 ना, plus 35x minus 14 plus 2x. Why x cube, read? Why 2x cube? X into 2x is 2x squared na. 2x squared minus 5x plus 6x minus 15. So the square and the square, what do you do? 12x squared. Then minus 4x minus 5x plus 6x plus 35x. So 35 minus 5 is 30. Yes, plus 32x, and then you have minus 14 minus 15 is what? Minus 29. Khatam answer. Next one. 1 by 2, 2x square plus 6y squared into 2x squared minus 6y squared. ओके, तो जल्दी करते हैं इसको, जल्दी बताओ क्या करेंगे। 1 by 2 को किसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो क्या मिलेगा? 2x square by 2 plus 6y square by 2 into 2x square minus 6y square। तो ये कट गया और ये तुम्हारा 3 हो गया, तो क्या बचा? x square plus 3y square into 2x squared minus 6y squared, है ना? ओके, सो हाउ, इसको सॉल्व करके क्या मिलेगा? व्हाट विल यू गेट? जल्दी जोर से बोलो। 2x to the, yes, minus 6x squared y yeah, x squared y squared, x square into minus 6y square is minus 6x square y squared, then plus x square y square ना, फिर से read is y squared minus so क्या मिलेगा? ये दोनों कट गया तो 2x to the power of 4 minus 18y की power 4. What are you trying to do? Don't think about anything else when you're doing maths, Reet. Especially you. ठीक है? हो गया? अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Compare the following products without full multiplication and decide which is greater by algebraic reasoning. Okay, you have to figure out which is bigger via algebraic reasoning. You should not multiply the actual values. Okay, so you have number 1, 31 into 49 or 29 into 51. Which will be bigger, Reet? 31 into 49 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 30 plus 1, 50 minus 1. और इसको 29 और 51 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 30 minus 1 into 50 plus 1. बताओ कौन सा बड़ा होगा, देखते हैं। So 30 into 50 is 30 into 50 is how much? 30 into 50 is 0, तो क्या मिलेगा रीत? 1500 minus 30 plus 50 minus 1. दूसरा यहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? Again 30 into 50 is my plus 30 minus 50 minus 1. So इन दोनों में से हम लोग जो कॉमन टर्म्स है उनको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। 1500 कट गया, -1 कट गया, सो यू हैव -30. नो रीड, -30 + 30 थोड़ी कटेगा, वहां पे नहीं कटेगा ना, जो सेम वैल्यूज होते हैं वही कटते हैं तुम्हारे। समझने की कोशिश करो, तो यहाँ पे देखो रीत, सो -30 + 50 and +30 - 50. -30 + 50 is how much? And +30 - 50 is how much? So which is bigger? 20 is bigger. So you will write at the end of the day that 31 multiplied by 49 is bigger than 29 multiplied by 51. Correct? Okay, I'll give you one question to do. You do it yourself. ठीक है, खुद से करोगी? 58 multiplied by 62 into or 60 multiplied by 60 करो. Yeah, 60 minus 2 into 60 plus 2 or 60 into 60 is how much? Yeah, 60 into 60 लिखते हैं, ठीक है. Now this will become 60 into 60 plus uh, 60 into 2 is 120 minus तुम्हारा 120 minus 4 और 60 into 60 ये दोनों को काट सकते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव. सो ये हो जाएगा 120 माइनस 120 कट गया -4 और तुम्हारा 0 विच इज बिगर. 0 इज बिगर. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 0 इज बिगर. ठीक है, 0 तुम्हारा बड़ा है तो तुम्हारा विच विल बी बिगर. 31 सॉरी 58 multiplied by 62 will be lesser than 60 multiplied by 60. ठीक है, एक और क्वेश्चन दू करो. ओके, नेक्स्ट. This is exercise 6B, okay? I'll just write it with a different number. Exercise 6B, okay? So, the questions are, तुम्हारा है, find the product of question number 1. Find the product of 6A squared minus 7B plus 5AB and 2AB. Solve करो. 12A cube B minus 14AB squared plus 10A squared B squared. 10, yeah. So the answer is B. Okay. The answer will be B. This is multiple choice questions. Okay. समझ में आ गया. अगला question number 2. Which of the following is correct for real numbers A and B? Okay. Option number 1. Both A and B are real numbers. ठीक है. A minus B the whole square should be greater than B minus A the whole square. ठीक है. दूसरा, A minus B the whole square is less than B minus A the whole square. Number 3, A minus B the whole square is equal to B minus A the whole square. And number 4, A minus B the whole square is greater than or equal to B minus A the whole square. Which of the following is true? A and B are real numbers. A and B are real numbers. Which of the following will be true, Read? Yeah. Hmm? Only this. So basically, if I take A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10, so A minus B will be equal to what? Minus 5 the whole square is equal to 25. B minus A the whole square is equal to 10 minus 5 is the whole square is again 25, because the square of a negative number is always positive. याद रखना उसे. Question number 3. अगला, which of the following is correct for real numbers P and Q? That is, you have P minus Q the whole cubed is equal to Q minus P the whole cubed. Okay, B, ये है option A. Option B है तुम्हारे पास P minus Q the whole cubed is equal to minus of Q minus P the whole cubed. Then option C, p minus q the whole cubed, it should be greater than q minus p the whole cubed. And option number D is p minus q the whole cubed is less than q minus p the whole cubed. Which of the following answer will be correct, Read? Same. P and q are real numbers. Yes, obviously B part will be correct, right? Because negative of cube of a negative number is negative only. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next, question number 4. Okay, so you have two numbers leave remainder 3 and 5 respectively when divided by 7. Full stop. What will be the remainder when their difference is divided by 7? Yeah, leave. Yeah, that's fine, Read. थोड़ा बहुत तो mistake होगा. Leave a remainder 3 and 5 respectively when divided by 7. What will be the remainder when the difference is divided by 7? Try करके देखो. Two numbers leave a remainder 3 and 5 respectively when divided by 7. Better. So, what will be the remainder when the difference is divided by 7? Okay. Yes. Okay, so you have the two numbers will be the two numbers will be 7x plus 3, 7x plus 3 and 7x plus 5. What will be the remainder when the difference? So 7x plus 3 minus 7x plus 5 is divided by 7. Now, first and foremost, reads two numbers. One second, you forgot one more thing. Two numbers leave a remainder 3 and 5 respectively when divided by 7. So, how did two numbers have the same value of x? One should have had 7a plus 3 and 7b plus 5. So, you would have had your 7a plus 3 and b plus 5. 7a plus 3 and 7b plus 5. Now, so what will you do next? You will open the brackets. 7a plus 3 minus 7b minus 5 divided by 7. So 7a minus 7b plus 3 minus 5 is how much? Okay. Okay. So 7 into a minus b plus, sorry, minus 2 the whole upon 7, right? This is how you write. So basically you will get 7a minus b upon 7 minus 2 upon 7, right? Okay, so can I do one thing? Can I write it as this a minus b minus 2 upon 7? So the remainder will be 2, read, not 2 upon 7. The remainder will be 2. No, you said a fraction. You said 2. Okay, fine. Let's go. Next question. So, question number 5. Okay, let's go. Uh, Two numbers leave a remainder 3 and 4 respectively when divided by 5. Full stop. What will be the remainder when their product is divided by 5? Question mark. Question mark. Write this one out, read. Okay, let's see how we can solve this. So two numbers leave a remainder 3 and 4 respectively when divided by 5. What will be the remainder? So what are the two numbers that we have? 5x plus 3 and 5y plus 4 are the two numbers that we have. Now, what will be the remainder when the product is divided by 5? The product is what? 5x plus 3 into 5y plus 4. So, batate jao. 25, 25xy, good, plus 20x plus 15y plus 12. Okay. So, this can be written as 25xy plus 20x plus 15y plus 10 plus 2 लिख सकते हैं इसे. Can I take a 5 out now from all of this? 5xy plus 4x plus 3y, right? Plus 2 plus 2. So this whole term is divisible by 5 because there is a 5 here. Exactly, 2 is the remainder. You get it? Okay, next question. लिखो. If 12x square minus 7x twelve x square minus 7x plus 4 into 3 minus 5x square is equal to ax to the power of 4 plus 35x cubed plus bx squared minus 21x plus c. Then which of the following are correct? Option 1, a plus b plus c is equal to minus 32. Option 2, a plus b plus c is equal to 28. Option C, a plus b is less than c. And option number 4, a is minus 32. Yes, a is less than b plus c. So first things first, you have to do is find a, b and c. A, b और c को ढूंढो. करो. Let's try and solve this equation. Okay, so you have 12x cubed, sorry, 12x squared minus 7x plus 4 into 3 minus 5x squared. So you will get 12 threes are 36 x squared minus 12 fives are 60 x to the power of 4, then minus 21 x plus 35 x cubed plus 12 minus 20 x squared. So I think this is what you got, right? Minus 60x to the power of 4. I'll simply write it as this, minus 60x to the power of 4. Then plus 35x cubed. Okay. Then you have 36x square minus 20x square is plus 16x squared. Then you have minus 21x plus 12. And if you compare it with ax to the power of 4, a becomes equal to what? Minus 60. Then bx square becomes b is equal to 16. And then c is what? c is equal to what? 12. That's it, finished. So what are the, नहीं a b और c ही चाहिए था हमें. a मिल गया, b मिल गया और c मिल गया. नाउ व्हाट इज a प्लस b प्लस c इक्वल टू? a प्लस b प्लस c की वैल्यू क्या है? व्हाट इज a प्लस b प्लस c इक्वल टू? minus 60 plus 16 plus 12 is how much? Minus 60 plus 16 is how much? Minus 44. Minus 44 plus 12 is how much? Minus 32. Is this correct? Correct. Next. Okay, so a plus b plus c is equal to 28 is wrong. Next, is a plus b less than c? What is a plus b equal to? Minus 60 plus 16 is how much? Minus 44. And what is c equals 12? Is minus 44 less than c? Yes, right. So this is also correct. Is a less than b plus c? A is what? Minus 60. B plus c equals what? 28. Is it greater? Yes, it is greater. No. Minus 60. Yeah. Yeah, 28 is bigger. Minus 60 से bigger है. समझ में आ गया? अगला क्वेश्चन चलो. Assertion reasoning, ठीक है? Assertion reason. Assertion तुम्हें दे रखा हुआ है k plus 1 into k plus 2 minus k plus 3 is always equal to 2. Always 2. Reason. K plus 1 into k plus 2 minus k plus 3 is equal to k square plus 2k minus 1. Let's try and do this. So k plus 1 into k plus 2 minus k plus 3. So k square plus 2k plus k plus 2 minus k plus 3. So this k and this minus k will get cut off. This 2 and this minus 3 will get cut off. So what are you left with? K square plus 2k minus 1. Okay. Okay. So k square plus 2k minus 1 हो गया तुम्हारे पास. So the reason is correct, Read. Assertion is wrong. Assertion is wrong. Reason is correct. Yeah. No, D part. Assertion is false and reason is correct is D. अगला. Read next question number 8. A plus B the whole square. This is assertion, okay? A plus B the whole square is always greater than A square plus B square for any two integers A and B. For any two integers A and B. And reason is A plus B the whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. The term 2AB can be positive, negative or 0. The term 2AB can be positive, negative or 0 depending on the signs of A and B. बताओ रीत, which will be correct? A plus B, the see basically the assertion will be wrong because it depends. अगर तुम्हारे if देखो यहाँ पे देखो रीत, if A and B are positive, okay, if A and B are positive integers, then A plus B the whole square will always be greater than A square plus B square. Why? Because A plus B the whole square is what? Plus B square plus 2AB will be obviously greater than A square plus B square, है ना? यहाँ पे ये दोनों है. If A and B are positive, if A and B are positive or negative, क्योंकि नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव भी पॉजिटिव ही होता है, बट if A is positive and B is negative or vice versa, then क्या हो जाएगा? A plus B the whole square will be less than A square plus B square. क्यों? क्योंकि you may get A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, will always be less than A square plus B square. So the first one is false and the second one is true. So again, the answer will be what? D. पहला गलत, दूसरा सही. समझ में आ गया? Easy. अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. 8. शांत रहो. Fill in the blanks. ठीक है? पहला है तुम्हारा x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus dash. क्या होगा आंसर? A plus bx is nothing but bx plus ax. What is the last term that is left behind? X square plus bx plus ax plus ab, right? Read ab. So what is the missing term here? Read jaldi batao. X square plus ab. Very good. Next one. X plus 2a into 2x minus 3a is equal to 2x squared minus dash minus 6a square. What will be the answer? Yeah, minus 3x plus 4ax is simply ax. Now, it's a positive value, but there is a negative sign here. So what do you have to do? यहाँ पे अंदर भी तुम्हें माइनस ax डालना पड़ेगा, तभी माइनस माइनस तुम्हारा क्या निकल के आएगा? पॉजिटिव निकल के आएगा. ठीक है? Done? Okay. Question number 12. There are a lot of questions. 67 multiplied by 34. Okay, consider the product 67 multiplied by 34. Now, number 1. If the first number is increased by 1, then the product is increased by if the first number is increased by 1, then the product is increased by yeah, so what will be the answer? The product will be increased by 34. Very good. Next, number 2. If the second number is increased by 2, then the product is increased by Think about this rate. If the second number is increased by 2, so you have 67 multiplied by 34 plus 2 will give you what? 67 multiplied by 34 plus 67 multiplied by 2. So this is the original product increased by what? Which is 16 to 2 is how much? 134. Very good. Okay. Next. The first number is increased by 1 and the second number is decreased by 1, then the product is dash by dash. You have 67 plus 1 and 34 minus 1. So you will get what? 67 multiplied by 34 minus 67 plus 34 minus 1. So what is minus 67 minus 1? Minus 68 plus 34 is how much? Minus 34. Minus 34. So then the product is decreased by minus 30 by 34. Decreased by 34. You don't have to say decreased by 30 minus 34. Decreased by 34. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next. If the first number is decreased by 1 and the second number is increased by 1, then the product is solve it. So you have 67 minus 1 into 34 plus 1. So 67 into 34 plus 67 minus 34 minus 1. So 67 minus 35 gives you नहीं, इसके बाद खत्म मेरा. So you will get plus 67 minus 35. 35, 45, 55, 65 is equal to 32. 67 into 34 plus 32. The product is increased by 32. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? तो एक सेकंड रुक जाओ बस. ठीक है, एक सेकंड. सो बच्चों, आज का हमारा ये क्लास यहीं पे खत्म होता है. ठीक है, बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट डिथिंग मल्टीप्लाई के और ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस हम लोग करने वाले हैं. सो अगले वीडियो में हम लोग और ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. सो ऐसे ही वीडियोस देखने के लिए प्लीज डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब और अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.